Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap lakeshore local and long-distance movers near me. With long-distance moving comes a complication about what to expect. 3 Movers takes complete responsibility to prepare you for the moving process. Whether you're moving to lakeshore or moving away to another state or country, we offer our services worldwide. We are there for you from the very beginning, from providing packing boxes, wraps to doing the packing, loading, and delivering your household items and belongings to your doorstep. We opt for damage-free delivery, and all the goods are covered under our compensation policy just in case if you receive the goods broken or damaged. Even if you are moving locally to a new house or office, you need to pack and move your belongings to your new place. You can save your time and efforts by hiring our local services in Lakeshore. 3 Movers offers services for every customer. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lakeshore moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.